All y'all can bounce back again with another video. I look crusty to the dusty, so please bear with me. Like I look a mess. In today's video, I'm going to do my first ACV soak. I'm doing a soak, not a rinse, because I don't have one of those like inflatable sinks. I wasn't trying to buy one, and I was about to break my neck to put my head in like my bathroom sink. So I'm just gonna do a soak, and I hope that works, so we all will be witnessing it. I don't have that much buildup, but there definitely is buildup because I am now 6 months locked and haven't had a ACV soak yet. So let's get into it. Oh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, of course, okay? So I already filled my little spray bottle. If this isn't enough, oh well, I'm about to keep refilling it because I definitely paid for this from Walmart. It was $1, but I wanted it to be bigger and they failed me. So I'm separating my hair into 4 sections just so I can make sure I get everywhere. Also, I'm doing this because I'm gonna dye my hair. That's gonna be in another video. And I know apple cider vinegar can remove your hair dye or lighten your hair, and I was like, okay, well, let me just do this now, so when I put the dye in, it doesn't mess it up. I'm also just like pulling apart my roots so I can get in there real good. I have not had a retwist in 2 months, y'all. That's the longest I've ever gone without a retwist. Okay, so I'm just gonna start spraying with the apple cider vinegar. I put like this much apple cider vinegar and then this much water in it, so no specific measurements. I'm doing this in my bathroom because I already know the floor is about to be wet. Spraying those roots real good. This stuff is strong. Everybody says it stinks, and it does, but it's not like terrible, but like it definitely is strong. This is the apple cider vinegar that I use, by the way. Nothing special. Just the Old Faithful. I've been getting this brand for a long time now. But you know what? Let me close this before any stupid gnats try to go in there. I'm literally like drenching my locks. So far away. I feel like I should put a towel down. If it gets too bad, I will. Soaking them in apple cider vinegar. It's like dripping down my arm. This is strong. Look at how long my hair is getting, guys. Okay, the floor definitely is getting wet. Let me get a towel. Oh my gosh, my hair is getting so long. Okay, BRB. Okay, I got the towel. We're good to go. So they're definitely soaked now. Next side. I'm about to put on a fan in a minute. Cause this smell, oh, I have cuts on my neck from my necklace. Is there anybody else whose skin is like extremely sensitive? Cause mine is very sensitive and ouch. And I get like rashes or like bumps if it's not real jewelry. That sucks because that hurts. Okay. Get in the fruits. Girl, you're telling me. No, you are telling me. I'm in here choking. Yeah, I'm about to in a second, cause okay, I did the first two sides, halves, both. I'm gonna fast forward and then turn my fan on so I'm not dying in here because this stuff is strong. And I will be back when I'm done. Okay, now that my hair is soaked and the bathroom stinks, I'm putting this back on my head, and I'll probably sit with it on my head for 30 minutes maybe, and let the apple cider vinegar, you know, break up all the buildup and stuff in my hair. So I'll probably be back after I rinse it out to let you know how it went. It stinks so bad. I'm gonna put another one. Okay, I'll be back as soon as it's done. This is what the water looks like. It's very murky, and if you see, you can see the dirt over there. It's pretty nasty. I think I kept it in for like 25 minutes. Then I actually added baking soda too. I just kind of like threw it on my hair. But yeah, the water is obviously dirty. So it definitely was needed. I didn't have so much buildup because I'm only 6 months in, like I said. But like I said, definitely needed to be done. Especially before I dye my hair. Oh, okay. Oh, it feels so good. This is how my locks look. Probably should go back and squeeze more of this out. Yeah, that's nasty. Okay, I'm gonna go squeeze the roots out more, and then I'll be back. Okay, so there's still a little bit of buildup, but it's at least been brought to surface instead of been like, you know, hiding inside of my locks. I need to wash my hair to like wash it out, but I need to dye my hair. Ow. I need to dye my hair, so I hope I don't regret this. Ow. I'm gonna dye it first and then wash it, just because I don't want to wash it twice. Ouch. So yeah, I don't want to wash it twice, so I guess I'll be back and show you guys how it looks when I'm like done. And then I'm about to go make the hair dyeing video. Okay, y'all, it's definitely the next day. You can see my hair is clean. Definitely clean. So obviously it worked. What did I do? I used my peppermint oil, not peppermint, my peppermint Dr. Bronner's soap, and I literally like scrubbed the rest of that buildup out that was like showing, scrubbed it out, and then like I like squoze each lock just to make squeeze each lock to make sure that it came out and it worked. So I don't know, maybe next time I will try the actual soak. We'll see. But yeah, so it worked. If you don't feel like dipping your head back in the sink, I would definitely recommend to do the spray, besides like the little mess. But other than that, it was fine. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next